Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to select, how many ways are there to select columns from a data frame. Okay, so in our previous sessions, we have seen how to create data frames. Okay, we have seen, right? So for this demo purpose, I am creating two data frames. That is nothing but employee DF. Okay, we have columns employee number, start schema employee table. This is and job manager hire date salary column, sorry, commission department number. Okay, one more data set data frame I'm taking, department number, department name, location. Okay, so select is a command, right? So we can what is the syntax, to check that syntax, since we are using Python notebook, we have help command to see the syntax and all. So employee data frame dot select, you keep, if you apply helper, you will get the, so what is the syntax, everything you can get. Okay, so syntax it is giving star, if you give all columns it will come like that. You can see the syntax. If you pass helper on data frame, you will get that syntax. Okay, so how to select all the columns from a data frame means select a star. Okay, select a star. Okay, show is an action, right? It will show the, it will display the result. So from the employee data frame, I'm displaying all the columns. That is nothing but a select a star. Okay, you can see all 14 records. If I want to select only few columns, then this is the select df dot select single quotation employee number comma ename hire date with comma how many columns you want, that salary, like that. Dot show is also fine, or display also fine. What is the difference between show and display? Display will display the data, and you can you have option, you will be having option to download that if you use display. Okay, but if you use show, that that complete data will not come. Okay, default 20 records only will come in show. Okay, but both are the actions only. This is one way to select all the columns, I mean required columns from the data frame. In this way also, like a list, you can pass selecting select columns in a list, like list. So employee df dot select as a list, Python list, I am passing columns as elements, employee number, e-name, salary. Okay. Okay. See, 14 columns. And we can use alias also. Alias, you can give alias name to the your data frame, and you can select data. You can apply select alias name dot column names. Okay, that is also will work. Employee here, if you see this example, employee df alias, I'm giving name as a e. Okay, so selecting e dot star means all the columns I'm selecting from the employee df. Okay. Department DFO, I'm giving D dot department number, department name, location. This is to select data from department DFO. Okay. And usually in legacy Spark, no, we used to give call of column name. In this here also we can use call of column name. So column is a function. So all the functions will be available in a PySpark library, that is PySpark.sql.functions import column. So if you want to import all the columns, you can mention star, but we are not using all the columns, so column is enough. So column importing. So department dot select column of department number. It will give the data. It is a optional. In this way also we can use call. You can say, use the select statement. Okay, call of location. Next, in select list we can apply functions also. Okay, we can apply functions. We can give aliasing also. Alias names also we can give. Dataframe dot. So I am using that concat. So concat is a function and the lit also is a function. We'll use lit to create some text. Okay, some string. To declare some string, we'll give lit. These are all the functions, right? So we have to import all these functions. Okay. Then data frame dot select call of employee number, employee name, job. I'm adding this employee name and the job column using concatenate function. Concat of call of ename, comma, lit of, and his job is. I'm adding this piece of string in between two columns, and I'm giving entire column as alias new name. Okay, new name. Then you'll see. Now see, employee number, employee name, job. I'm concatenating, right? Employee name, job. I'm in between. I have and this job name is for the meaningful information I have. So in this way, we can use the select statement to select the data, to select the columns from the data frame. Next, we can use some kind of expressions also while selecting the columns from the data frame. That is using select expression. Okay. Here, select expression also similar to selector, and to select the columns, all the columns using select expression, you can same as select. You can pass a star. Okay. All the data will come, and aliasing also same similar to selector. Will aliasing also will work in a select expression, and same I mean like comma separated column names if you declare, this will also will work. Call function. So call function will this is already we have seen. Okay, so instead of column name, instead of mentioning directly column name, okay, or semicolon in that single quotations column name, we can in select list data frame of column name also we can give data frame of column name. Okay, this is employee DFO sal column we are taking, then remaining department number and commission we are giving. Okay, similarly same select expression also we can use in select this expression also data frame of column name we can select. This is the example for that. Okay, sorry, this is not iterable. In select expression call we cannot use. Okay, select expression, what is the difference is select expression call will not work. Okay, what we'll do, okay, we'll do like this. Column is not iterable. Okay, okay, data frame of column also will not work in expression. This is only applicable in select list only. Now we'll see that I will come. Next, columns selecting data we can do in this way also. Okay, what are the columns you want? You can prepare one empty list, then select the star of that list you can pass. You will get the data. Okay, so what we can do? We can declare one variable with this column names. What are the required column names? Select star that variable name you can mention here. Okay, so date functions, I want to apply some functions on when selecting the data. That also possible. That we'll see in functions topic. Well, in functions topic, we will apply all different types of functions on a data frame. That time we will see. This is example to see how to apply function while selecting the columns from the data frame. I'm using I'm applying a date format on higher data. I'm giving the format I want to display data in this format. Okay, YYYYMMDD. And for this entire column, after converting this, I'm giving alias name as higher date, H date I'm giving. Okay, so same for so if you give this, we'll see. Let me df1 some df2 I will give. So I will remove one. You see here, hdate is a string. So if I want to convert that also possible. Okay, you can convert the string to that data. It is string, right? You can convert that string that date to integer also using cast. See here in the select list itself, date format higher data dot cast integer alias I'm giving. Okay. In this way, if you want to perform some any operations on us while selecting, that time we'll go for select expression and select color. Using selector, we can select the columns from the data frame. Okay, this is a select and select expression in the Databricks.